India may acquire 39 additional Apache gunships from US, bringing the total to 61. In September 2015, the Government of India approved the purchase of the Boeing's AH-64 Apache helicopters for the Indian Air Force in a deal worth around $2.5 billion. The deal for gunships was in two parts, one via direct commercial sale contract, while the other by foreign military sales agreement, which the US government will supply the weapons, radars, and electronic warfare equipment. The contract, however, had an open option for India to purchase additional helicopters if required. Internal sources suggest that the government may invoke this option and go for an additional purchase of 39 more Apache gunships from the US. The first 22 Apache helicopters, which were ordered earlier, will replace the aging Mi-35 attack helicopters that were bought from Russia for the Indian Air Force. The additional 39 Apache gunships that the government proposes to buy will be deployed by the Indian Army as part of its 3 Strike Corps, and for the new Mountain Strike Corps being raised for China border. The Army's requirement is likely to be met with the acquisition of these additional gunships. This will give the required offensive firepower to tear into enemy territory, may it be China or Pakistan. The Boeing AH-64 Apache is a 4-blade, twin-turboshaft attack helicopter. It has a tail-wheel type landing gear arrangement and a tandem cockpit for a 2-man crew. It features a nose-mounted sensor suite for target acquisition and night vision systems. It is armed with a 30mm M230 chain gun carried between the main landing gear under the aircraft's forward fuselage. It has 4 hardpoints mounted on stub wing pylons, typically carrying a mixture of AGM-114 Hellfire missiles and Hydra 70 rocket pods. The AH-64 has a large amount of systems redundancy to improve combat survivability. One of the revolutionary features of the Apache is the integrated helmet and display sighting system, because of which either the pilot or gunner can slave the helicopter's 30mm automatic M230 chain gun to their helmet, making the gun track head movements to point where they look. The US Army is the primary operator of the AH-64. It has also become the primary attack helicopter of multiple nations, including Greece, Japan, Israel, the Netherlands, and Singapore, as well as being produced under license in the United Kingdom as the Augusta Westland Apache. AH-64s have served in conflicts in Panama, the Persian Gulf, Kosovo, Afghanistan, and Iraq. Israel used the Apache in its military conflicts in Lebanon and the Gaza Strip. British and Dutch Apaches have seen deployments in Afghanistan and Iraq. India will also be acquiring Hellfire missiles and rockets that make the Apache AH-64 such a formidable beast. This sums up the latest Indian defense updates. Do check out our other videos too. Click the thumbnail of the video to watch it. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, Instagram for instant defense updates.